Let me tell you the truth nobody wants to hear. In 2026, most Africans trying to make money online will still be broke. And it's not because there's no money, it's because they're doing the wrong things. And one of these mistakes is the reason most people never even make their first $100 online. I'll show you in a second. And if you're making mistake number 3, you need to stop immediately because it's silently wasting years of your life. You've probably tried different things already: apps, crypto, affiliate links, maybe even some online business. But nothing is working. Meanwhile, there are people in Africa quietly making dollars every single week. Same continent, same internet, same 24 hours. So what are they doing differently? Number 1, you're chasing fast money instead of building real skills. Most people want results in 7 days, but avoid learning something valuable. The truth is, skills like video editing, graphic design, content writing, these are what actually pay. But because it takes time, people ignore it and stay broke. Number 2, you keep jumping from one method to another. Today it's crypto, tomorrow it's drop shipping, next week it's another new app. You never stay long enough to actually make money, so you keep starting and restarting with no real progress. Number 3, you're doing things that don't scale, spending your time on small hustles that barely pay anything. Even if you work hard every day, you're still stuck. That's not growth. That's survival. Now here's the part most people don't want to hear. The people making money online are not smarter than you. They just did one thing differently. They picked one skill, stayed consistent, and ignored distractions. No jumping around, no chasing every new opportunity, just focus and discipline. And here's a bonus truth. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Every day you wait is another day someone else gets ahead. Africa doesn't need more dreamers. It needs more doers. If you're serious about making your first $1,000 online, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to break it down step by step in the next videos. Drop a comment. Which of these is holding you back the most? Let's fix it.